Hey, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna share with you 5 cool Flutter library to make your project more beautiful, as you can see here. So let me start with number 1. This is the first one, Go Slider. You can check it out from here. So let's see. You can check it out. This is everything, all the implementation. I'll look for time, then I'll make a video on this. You can see it's good. See, so you can use it. So about you create a lot of pages. Yeah, so let's go to let's it is fun, awesome Flutter. This one provide you with icon, Google font. It's another one. This is tree. Shama is 4, and this is the last one. So you have your 1 avatar, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So guys, make sure you check this out and you try to see how you can play with it. Remember, programming is all about doing it. So you don't learn programming by just reading. It's not literature. Programming is not literature. It's not history. You gotta practice no matter what, my friend. So that is it. So make sure you go check them out. I'll make sure I'm also gonna I'm gonna make a video using all these libraries. So guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget I'm gonna post this link down below. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video, and if you are new in this channel, hit the subscribe button. Let's keep fluttering. See you guys.